In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to download X, Twitter. First, let's begin by opening the Google Play Store. When you look at your Android device, find the familiar icon that looks like a shopping bag with a play button inside it. This is your gateway to countless apps. Once you tap on the icon, the Google Play Store will open up, showcasing various apps and games. This step is crucial because the Play Store is the official platform for downloading applications on Android devices. It ensures that you get safe and secure software directly from the source. Once the Google Play Store is open, you will see a search bar at the top of the screen. This bar is your tool for finding specific apps quickly. Tap the search bar and your keyboard will pop up, allowing you to type. Typing is essential because it directs the store to the exact app you want. In this case, you want to find X or Twitter. Make sure to type accurately, as any misspelling could lead you to a different app. After you input your search, look at the results that appear. You should see various apps listed, but your goal is to select X by X Corp. This is important because there are many apps with similar names. Selecting the correct app ensures that you are downloading the official version. When you find the app, tap on it. This action will take you to the app's page where you can view more details. Next up, you will see a button that says Install. Tap Install, and this initiates the downloading process. At this point, your device will start downloading the app. This step matters because it begins the process of bringing X to your device. You will see a progress bar indicating how much of the app has been downloaded. It's normal for this to take a few moments, so be patient. Once the app has been downloaded and installed, you will see the option to tap Open. Go ahead and tap Open. This action launches the app for the first time. You will be greeted with the welcome screen of X. It's an exciting moment because you are just about to access your Twitter account or create a new one. Now you will need to sign into your existing account or create a new one. If you already have an account, tap the Sign In option and enter your credentials. Make sure to enter the correct username and password. This is crucial because it secures your access to your tweets and followers. If you are new to X, you can tap the Create Account option. Follow the prompts to set up your profile. This process is important as it allows you to connect with your network and explore content that interests you. After you have signed in or created your account, you are all set to start using X. You can now explore your feed, follow accounts, and tweet your thoughts. This final step is rewarding because it opens up a world of communication and engagement. You will see a confirmation appear, indicating that you are fully logged in and ready to go. In summary, by following these steps, you have successfully downloaded X, Twitter on your Android device. Enjoy connecting with friends and discovering new content. This is a big step towards staying informed and engaged with the world around you. Thank you for watching.